Be Totally Car Mad production, in conjunction with Matt Strongarms.
We managed to rebuild the tub, the engine,
Oh dear.
and finally get this thing started for the first time. But today, we're gonna finish this thing for good.
Oh my goodness. This is parts at best.
But now, we're on the final stages. We've got the engine running, we've got the dashboard back in and retrimmed, and I'm that much closer, but there's still a lot to do. And as most of this was all underwater, who knows what other problems we're gonna run into.
Matt Strongarms found a Boxster, or so he claimed. A Porsche dreams, or so it was named. But closer inspection, oh, what a sight. A wheelbarrow rusted, missing half its ride. He said, I'll fix it, I'll make it roll, while neighbors whispered he's done this before. Strong arms, turning junk to gold with a wrench in his hand and a vision so bold. He bought a dream, though it had no spark, turned a wheelbarrow into a Boxster in the dark.